Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's another video for a no deposit bonus, guys. As you can see, it's right in here, and this no deposit bonus is very new, guys. It's an Exness company that's offering a no deposit bonus, guys, to old and new clients. Old and new clients, guys. For you to get this bonus, make sure that you watch this video until the end, because you won't miss any step. And if you miss any step, you won't get this no deposit bonus, guys. And I'm going to read for you everything, and I'm going to do for you everything. And before we go further, guys, help us subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you subscribe, just in appreciation. It will be really an appreciation for me. Okay, guys, you can see a register for Forex no deposit startup bonus. We give you Forex no deposit bonus for free. It's free, guys, and you don't need to deposit anything. You don't need to have a deposit first, and you can start trading without risking your own capital. Okay, guys, and the bonus can be withdrawn with no limits. Just listen to that. With no limits at all, you can withdraw this bonus. And so you can see, guys, I'm going to put the link of this website on the video description, guys. On the first link will be for this website. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on create free account. Okay, guys, and it's very simple. Once you click that, it will take you here. You put your username, any name that you prefer. Okay, then you put your full name, which is the first name and the surname, and also you're gonna put your email here, your WhatsApp number, and you enter password, you confirm it, and also you can put the person who referred you. Okay, but most of the time we're gonna find already right in here, because I'm going to refer you. You find something here. You find something like this. You find a name like this. If you didn't find it, just put it there, guys, and you put accept the terms and condition, guys, and it will take you straight into the dashboard. Okay, guys, for me, I've already an account. I'm just going to click login, guys, and I can log in faster, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna log in faster, guys. Just bear with me while I'm logging in, and once I'm done logging in, I will show you everything, guys, as fast as possible. Okay, let me just try. Just try if I can log in, or I just forgot my password. Okay, I'll try, guys. It's a no deposit bonus, guys. Welcome for you, guys. You can see, welcome to Forex. It's a Forex website, an open trading account, claim no deposit bonus, start up bonus, guys. You can see it's very beautiful. And guys, right now I'm just going to read for you everything. Okay, make sure that you follow this tutorial right now, and make sure to thumb up this video, guys, in appreciation, because this is the best no deposit bonus on this channel so far. Okay, as you can see on the dashboard, it says like this: what to do now after you come to this website. Open a trading account, but before you click on that button, make sure that you read everything down here. It says complete or opening process. You must open through the button above. It's a must, guys. Open through the button above on the partner space when registering. Okay, or you can paste this on a partner space, but you don't need to go on those partner things. Just click on that button above. Okay, if you already have a trading account with this broker, you can register a new account. Imagine that you can register a new account using different email, but same personal detail. Just use a different email, guys, but same personal detail exact, and you're gonna have a new account. Choose the MT4 standard account. Mark this. Choose an MT4 standard account, guys. A leverage must be 2,000 as recommended. Okay, guys, and from there, your trading account must be verified before submitting a claim. So you have to create an account first. You have to create an account using this button above here. Okay, this button above, you should use it to create an account, guys. And after you create an account and you verify your personal details, then you should submit your real trading account only to claim startup bonus by clicking on this button. Okay, guys, What I mean is, after you have clicked this button here up, you go be directed to this website. Let's just go there, guys. Let's just go there straight on Exness. It's an Exness, not the post bonus, guys, and it's not fake. Okay, it's not fake, and I'm being real. What you're gonna do right here is you're gonna choose a standard account. Okay, you're gonna choose open MT4 standard account down here. Okay, you're gonna open a standard account for MT4, guys, and then you'll be asked to create a new account on Exness. You understand that? You'll be directed to create an account on Exness. As you can see, guys, it's simple. Exness doesn't ask a lot of things, and all gonna do, just put your country here, guys, and all the information. You know how to create an account on a broker, guys. I don't need to waste time going through all these things. Just create an account here. Then after creating your account and also verified your information, meaning you provided your ID and also your proof of address, then you come back to the you go back there on the website that I've just told you. Okay, you go back to this website. Okay, you're just gonna log in because you already have information there. You've already created an account. When you just start on this website, just click. After that, just click claim a startup bonus. Okay, guys, and then after you click on the startup bonus, you're gonna get this space to enter your account. You're gonna enter the number of your account, guys. You know your account that you've just created. You're just gonna enter the number here and click confirm. After you click confirm and you click proceed here. After you click proceed, guys, they are going to process you, and after that you're gonna receive your not the post bonus, which is $100 not the post bonus, guys, available for everybody, whether you have an old account or you have a new account. And the second thing they have said is that if you already have an account and you don't want to create a new account, just click on the chat button down here and chat them via Telegram or via WhatsApp. Just chat to them, guys. Then they can shift your old account into their system. Then they can give you a not the post bonus, guys, and start trading. It's very beautiful, guys, and you can I'm sure you can all get that. Okay, condition on a bonus: we do not offer fixed bonus prices. Startup bonus may be any amount of money, and everyone is eligible to get one. You can only claim once. Okay, you can see, guys, they have wrote this. So what they mean is these guys are affiliated to Exness, and what they're gonna do, they want people who have joined under them get the post bonus by Exness. So this bonus is not available just by searching online like that. It's available only through them. You understand that they are ambassadors of Exness. I hope hopefully, guys, you get some information useful here on the website and also on my channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Comment down how you feel, what you feel, and where your country is. So, guys, you can always target your country. Target your country will be my first priority, guys. If you are to comment down there and tell me where you just came from. Hopefully you get something useful from this video, guys, and see you on the next episode.